Hey guys, thank you for returning to my channel. My name is Tom Walsh and I am a front-end developer. Um, I am basically looking for your guys' help actually. What I need to know is what do you want to learn and what do you want me to make videos about? So I've made a little list. Um, these are just some examples of what, some things that might be interesting to you guys or, things that I could do a series about and, it might be quite interesting. So the first one is PSD to HTML website. So in that, I would design a website from scratch, maybe 2 or 3 pages, and I will go through the entire process of design and turning that into a website. All of the source files and things would be available to you guys, so you could either take the PSD and make it into your own website, or you could just take the website and learn how it's made, all that sort of stuff. And that would be a full series showing you how to do that. So that's option one. Another option would be to talk about the tooling that I use in my front end day-to-day work life. So the code editor that I use, all the languages that I write in, um, the source control that I use like Git and Bitbucket and all that sort of thing. Things that I just use every day that I take for granted that you guys might not even know about. Um, so that'd be a really insightful way for you guys to see how I speed up my process, all that sort of stuff. Yes, that's another option. And a third option that I thought of would be how to become a front end developer. So I bet there's loads of you out there that do this for a hobby, and you want to turn it into a career. You want to make money off of it, and maybe you already are making money off of it, but you want to live off of it. You want to make it your career. So I can talk to you about how I did that for myself, how the path that I took to doing that, and how I am now a full-time developer. And that could be quite interesting because I bet my opinion and my path is quite different than most other people's. So, might be interesting to hear about. If you have any other ideas, please just post them in the comments to this video or on any of my videos. I read all of them. It'd be really interesting to see what you guys want to know. So, thanks for tuning in, and I'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers, guys.